Airtable Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Airtable are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Airtable, a versatile business automation tool that combines the functionality of a database with the user-friendliness of a spreadsheet. It's designed for teams of all sizes who need to organize data, manage projects, and automate workflows with ease. Whether you're in marketing, sales, or product development, Airtable offers an intuitive platform that helps you automate tasks, improve collaboration, and streamline your business processes. Airtable's key feature is its customizable database that allows you to create flexible tables with various types of fields, such as text, dates, attachments, and checkboxes. This makes it incredibly adaptable to different workflows, from managing inventory to tracking customer relationships. The views in Airtable are highly flexible, with options like Grid View, Calendar View, and Kanban, allowing users to organize data in the way that works best for them. A standout feature is Airtable's automation capabilities. You can set up triggers and actions, such as sending notifications, updating records, and creating tasks to automate routine processes without any coding. This reduces manual effort and helps teams focus on higher-value work. Airtable also offers integrations with popular tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and Zapier, making it easy to connect to your existing tech stack and automate data flow between systems. Collaboration is another strong suit of Airtable. You can easily share bases with team members, assign tasks, and leave comments on records. The real-time updates ensure that everyone stays on the same page, no matter where they're working from. While Airtable offers a lot of powerful features, it's important to note that it can have a steeper learning curve for new users, especially when working with complex databases. However, once you get the hang of it, Airtable can dramatically improve your workflow and business efficiency. In conclusion, Airtable is an excellent tool for businesses that need a flexible and powerful platform to automate processes and improve collaboration. Check out the description for links to get started and explore how Airtable can work for your team.